How's it guys? We're in Ho'opili. They're installing solar. This homeowner actually signed the proposal less than a week ago and now we're installing. So we're still fitting people in, getting solar. He has 8 batteries, 28 panels. Those are 430 watt panels. So he kind of went overkill on the batteries, but that's what he wanted. So if you're looking for a system that's installed by a local company, a system that's gonna last for as long as you're living in the home, we're still installing up until the end of the year. So if you guys think it's too late, it's not. Hit me up, send me your bill, and let's see if we can squeeze you in before the deadline. Also, these systems are CSS, that means customer self-supply. You're not selling or buying ever from HECO. You're producing all of your own energy. It's going into your own battery bank and you're pulling from it at night. And it's sized to where you will never need HECO. You have plenty of production, plenty of buffer room. It's actually gonna be a great deal for you guys where you're not gonna have 2 bills. So if you guys are looking for a solid solar setup, hit me up, I'll send you a proposal within 24 hours. These systems are only 10-year finances, so you're paying the same price that you would be monthly to a 25-year lease like Sunrun or a 25-year finance with some of these other solar companies. So another thing about these panels, these are Jinko panels. So year 30, you're still getting over 87% efficiency. You get a 30-year linear power warranty. So by year 30, you're only losing 12% efficiency. So that's the best that you can get, best quality. These are gonna last over 30 years. These are high quality, they look clean. I mean, just look at it. Black on black, glass. They look great, high quality. So hit me up, it's not too late. Let's get you some panels. Like I said, you guys need to hit me up right now. We'll get you a proposal within 24 hours. Get you solar. These are 430 watt panels. He's got 28 of them. So they're loading them up, trying to fit as many on the southern and west side as possible. So they got this giant frame here. That's the most productive side. South side, west side, when the sun is at its strongest. Boom.